Alright, we're out here in this snowstorm. We got the 397 coming. Not sure what engines are on it, but might be a little difficult. I'm inside my vehicle, so you might see some corners of the window frames there. You can see the snow just coming down. The 8924 and 5652, 5781, just in case I can't see it later. Hopefully the little blobs don't get all over the lens, because it's blowing in my window just a little bit here. Most of the wind's coming from the other side of the van, luckily, so it's still blowing all over. It wraps around and still gets in here. I know, because I can feel it on my hands and on my face. But at least when it's snowing out like this, it's bright. Normally it'd be really hard to film this at nighttime. But the sky is always a lot brighter, and all the white all over kind of adds to it. Adds a lot of reflection, so. Getting heavy snow all day today, and it's not stopping till late tomorrow. Tomorrow, though, it's supposed to be a lot windier. Wasn't gonna come today because of the weather and the roads, but I ended up going out for Timmy's with a buddy. I was bored. Needed to get out, so went out and came here and ended up getting 3 trains back to back, and then dropped him off and came out back here because I knew another one was coming. Today I wasn't planning on getting any. I got 4, but not to chatter a lot. But the first train I got. CN 396. It had a Kansas City Southern lead, and then the second train was a Union Pacific, no CN. 2 foreigns, which was really rare. I don't think I've ever seen that. Not without any CN as well. Plus it was foreign led. And then the second, and then the second train I got came in through on track 1 here, and it plowed up a bunch of snow. You can see snow just flying. But if you see in this video, I would have already have posted the other 2, plus the third. Some of my videos don't get up for about a week, but those first 2 actually I'll get way before, because something a little bit more unique, so I'll post them up a little quicker. Might even put them up tomorrow. So nice filming it tonight, as long as I don't get hit with the snow. It's so bright out of the night. Much easier to film. Normally I use 3 or 4 cameras when I film, but that's when I've got them sitting out on tripods and stuff like that, and all set up. And not today. I'm sitting in my van, keep out of the snow. It's all over the lens and just gets a big blob. Marquee Energy. Not sure if I've seen that before. Or at least I haven't noticed. My leg is getting wet. Oh! Big pile of ice just came off the roof, came right in the window. Probably heard that. Yeah, came in smack right down on the ledge here and came right in. Wow. Oh. Ignore that. Sorry about the beep beep text message on the phone. Didn't mute it. I normally don't have it on me when I'm filming. That was the guy I was with here before. Earlier. Oh, there it goes. Alright. You see that snow coming down. Okay, subscribe.